Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And this is another video in the series of the recovery options that was asked by a viewer. And we will now go into another option of recovery that is very unique. If you go into Settings, System, and Recovery, you will find an option called Quick Machine Recovery. If you click here, you see that these are sliders that are on or off. And basically, this is useful to turn on. If you see your sliders at off, I would suggest you turn them on. It might actually help you recover a PC that doesn't start. So the Quick Machine Recovery is really meant for a PC that just doesn't start. You press that power button, Windows refuses to start, it goes into a boot loop. Then, well, if these switch are on, what happens is that the computer will automatically in Windows 11 do a Quick Machine Recovery. So what does that do? What it will actually do is connect to the internet and try to find a solution, sending telemetry about the crash, what's happening, any information that your PC can give about why it can't start. And the Microsoft servers will be looking into that using AI and will try to find a fix for you. If it's just a corrupt file, if it's just a little glitch that can be easily fixed, it will actually download that fix and will fix that part of the problem, will remove a corrupt file, for example, and install a fresh copy of that file to make sure that you boot up. So this comes from the famous antivirus that crashed millions of PCs a few years ago. Microsoft then started to think, okay, there must be a way to try to fix problems without having, to have a tech guy or waiting hours to have somebody fix it for you. And so this would have fixed that problem back in the day. And so this could be a useful feature. It, of course, always depends on what the problem is all about. And in the option, you have Look for Solutions. If you click there, you see that you can have your PC look for a solution once, or you can say, well, I wanted to look for a solution every hour, and so on. So this means if it didn't fix it the first time, maybe it could fix it the next time. If something is general, for example, that a lot of PCs have suddenly, updated information in the servers, and Microsoft might finally fix it after a certain amount of time. But it is worth trying, and who knows, if your PC crashes for a bad driver or, anything that has happened, it could maybe restart correctly thanks to this option. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.